Finding the percentage of an amount. Another situation involving percentages is when we want to find the given percentage of an amount. In this case, we simply multiply the percentage to the amount after expressing the percentage as a decimal fraction. In symbols, we have the following shown on screen. For example, if we want to find 40% of 75, A equals 40 and B equals 75, we write the following shown on screen. Example: a goalkeeper of the team M was able to neutralize 88% from 250 attempts on target during an entire season, while another goalkeeper of the team N was able to neutralize 84% from 200 attempts on target during the same season. A. Which goalkeeper conceded less goals during the season? B. Which team has a better defense? Solution: A. First, we have to calculate how many attempts on target each goalkeeper was able to neutralize. Thus, for the goalkeeper M, we have A equals 88 and B equals 250. Using the previous formula, we have the following shown on screen. Thus, the goalkeeper of the team M conceded 250 minus 220 is equal to 30 goals during the entire season. As for the team N, we have A equals 84 and B equals 200. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Thus, the goalkeeper of the team M conceded 200 minus 168 is equal to 32 goals during the entire season. This means the goalkeeper of the team M conceded less goals than that of N, 30 is less than 32. B. As for the best defense, it is determined by the ability to block the opponents from their attempts on target. At this point, the defense of Team N had a better performance during the season as they conceded only 200 attempts on target, to 250 attempts of Team M. That is all for Lesson 5.1.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.1.4, Calculating the percentage of another percentage of an amount. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.